I'm Stacy Gordon. Welcome to That's My Jam. It's summer vegetable season, y'all, and if you have a garden or a neighbor with a garden, you're probably overrun right now with wonderful summer vegetables. I've managed to score 2 nice zucchini. When I was growing up, we didn't really eat zucchini, and if we did, it was most likely rolled in some kind of batter and deep fried. As I got a little older, the only way that I knew to make zucchini was zucchini bread. When I became a member of a CSA a few years ago, I decided it was time to learn how to make some other dishes with my zucchini. I'm going to show you one of those dishes today. We're going to make stuffed zucchini boats. We'll start out today with some sweet Italian sausage. Since I have 2 zucchini, I'm going to be making 4 zucchini boats. So I'm going to use about half of this pound of sweet Italian sausage. I've got my sausage in a skillet over some medium-high heat. I'm just going to scramble that up. I've got about 1/3 of an onion here, and I'm going to start chopping that up. I'm going to go ahead and add that onion to my Italian sausage. I've got my Italian sausage crumbled up and browned. If there's any excess grease on this, you can drain that off. For now, I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to use my square Pyrex baking dish. I'm going to put a light coating of olive oil in the bottom of that dish. I've washed my zucchini. Now we're going to get this ready. I've cut the ends off, and now I'm going to stripe the zucchini. I don't want to take all the skin off, just stripe it. I'm going to cut up both of my zucchini long ways, right down the middle. I'm going to place the 4 zucchini in my greased baking dish. Next, I'm going to use a spoon to scrape out the insides of each piece of zucchini. As we scrape, we want to collect that in a bowl. The hollowed out zucchini should look like this. If you manage to break one, like I always do, don't worry about it. Just get it back into position. Now let's go back to our Italian sausage mixture. I've got this back on some medium heat, and I'm going to add this zucchini meat right in here with this. I'm sure you can already tell this is going to be the filling for the zucchini boats. You can use anything you want. Obviously, I'm using Italian sausage, onion, and the meat from the zucchini. I've used ground turkey, ground chicken, some different things in order to try to be a little healthier, but I will tell you that those things don't have a lot of flavor. So if you plan to use that, you're going to need to spice it up. This zucchini will generate a lot of liquid on its own, but you definitely don't want this to dry out. So I'm going to add just about maybe 2 spoonfuls of chicken broth to the dish. This next part's pretty fun. I've got 4 pieces of mozzarella string cheese. I think you already know what I'm going to do with these. Voila. Y'all know I'm not one to heat the house up on a hot summer day, so I've got my toaster oven preheating to 350 degrees. I'm cooking this just long enough to blend the zucchini with the sausage and onion and soften it up just a little bit. This doesn't take long, and I think I'm done. It's going to look like there's a lot of grease or moisture in here, but again, the zucchini is very wet, so a lot of what you're seeing in here is water that comes out of the zucchini. I'm going to start filling each of my zucchini boats with a little bit of the mixture. Don't worry about it if it all starts to run together. If you want to put a tiny bit more of shredded cheese on top, you can. Now this is ready to go into my preheated oven. If you're enjoying today's video, I'd really appreciate if you hit the like button for me. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. It really does make a difference. Y'all, these just need about 15 or 20 minutes in the oven and they're ready. I conveniently picked the two that I didn't break for test purposes. The zucchini is soft now. The cheese is melted. This looks great. These are so tender, you can cut them with a fork. You know, this is delicious. Delicious. I really hope you and your family will love these zucchini boats. They're a great weeknight dish and they're super easy to make. Also, get out and support those local farmers markets. Don't forget to tune in on Monday. In the meantime, keep jamming.